Now let us discuss question 5. The question is, an alkali is titrated against an acid with methyl orange as an indicator. Which of the following is the correct combination? There are different 4 combinations that are given to us. Now as we know, the pH range of methyl orange is 3.9 to 4.5, which means above 4.5 it would be yellow, and below 3.9 it becomes pinkish red. So we have to choose the correct option. So here, if we take weak base which have a pH of greater than 7, because 7 is a neutral. So if you take a weak base, so methyl orange when added to the weak base, it will become yellow, and after titrating it by the strong acid at the end point, pH will be less than 3.1. Therefore, the solution become pinkish red. Hence, the correct option is 2. That is the correct option because the pH range of methanol is from 3.9 to 4.5. Thank you.